Hi, in this video I'll show you how to make an Infinity Cove backdrop in Blender. Let's start. Select the original cube and the camera and press delete button on the keyboard to delete them. Go to add menu and from mesh add plane. Press S button and move your mouse to increase the size of the plane. Change object mode to edit mode. Press shift button and select these three corners to select them together. Press E button then press Z button and move the mouse to adjust the height of the backdrop. Press shift button and select these three corners. Press Ctrl and B buttons together and move the mouse to get suitable slope. Select the left bottom corner bevel menu and change the segment's number to suitable value. Change edit mode to object mode. Right-click on the plane and select Shade Smooth. Now our Infinity backdrop is ready and we need to check it. Go to Add menu and from Mesh add Monkey. Change the viewport shading to Rendered Viewport. Select the light and press Shift and D buttons together to create another copy of the light. Change the new light position to a suitable position. That is all. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.